Hello guys, this is part 2 of glowing torus. Here we will learn about how to animate them. So let's start. Preview. Open Alight Motion. Then add a rectangle and increase size to fill in screen. After this, go to color section and add gradient color. Here I will suggest you to choose dark color, and I prefer to use dark blue. So you have to make a gradient like me. Then increase shape duration into 5 seconds. After this, go to plus icon and add an elements. In part 1 I teached you how to make glowing torus and save it as an element. So if you don't watch, then watch now, link in description. So now add this element and decrease size as you want. Then duplicate it and set it in right side down corner. Then increase shape size. And set it perfectly. After this step, go again first elements and make it duplicate. Then set it in right side upper corner and adjust it. Now you have to add another one like me. And I make it more bigger than any other shape. And I think shape's glow is too high. Now go to edit group and decrease glowing layer opacity around 50%. After this, select all elements, then adjust size durations like me. Now tap on elements. Then edit group. And select elements. Then go to rotation and add a keyframe in starting, and add another keyframe to the end. Then animate it like me. And now you have to do same things with other layer. So just watch process. And after doing this, you can see a good animation in those elements. Now it's time to a little bit movement in those layers. So tap on elements, then go to positions and add a keyframe like me. Then add another keyframe. And make animations that I will show you in video. And you have to do same things with others layer. So I make it fast forward. And also decrease glowing layer opacity. After this, you have to add a text XML file that I will give you in description. Go this layer and copy text. Then go back in project and paste it. Then adjust positions. After this, go to 1 second and add a text of Taurus. Then choose color to white, and also you can choose any good font. Here I used sans serif pre-regular font. That already available on Alight Motion. Now adjust position and increase size. Then go to Effect, and go to Text Effect, then tab on Text Transform, and add a preset Fade Up by Layer. And adjust position. Now you have to adjust text length duration to the end. So here you can see our glowing torus animation is ready. Now export it. Thanks for watching. Do like, comment, and subscribe for more.